It is the Saturday morning edition of The Law and You. You could hear the smells of the coffee here as Ed and Greg figure it all out this morning. It is, of course, The Law and You with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, always pleasure to spend a Saturday morning.
Thank you for the coffee again.
Of course.
Absolutely delicious.
Only the best. Went for the Folgers Select this week. Good stuff. All right, here we go with our question today. This is about a speeding ticket. Mike in Old Forge wants to know, I was recently pulled over for speeding. I wasn't speeding, and I want to fight this ticket. What can I do? So what does Mike have to do here to get started?
You know, Mike, it really, depending on the ticket, you know, how fast you were going. I mean, you know, you want to fight this, but it might be worth your while, especially if you don't have any points on your license, to try to work this out with the cop. If you agree to plead guilty to just a moving violation, which is really 5 miles over, you're going to pay a fine. You're not going to incur any points because, you know, I'll let Greg tell you what you're going to have to do if you really want to fight this. You know, it's going to be a bit of an undertaking for you.
And it also depends on the section you were cited with. So you didn't really tell us that because if you're done by a radar or VASCAR, all that has to be certified. The other interesting, I know we talked about this before, if it's a local or state police, depending on, you know, again, how they cited you, like local police can only pull over if you're 11 miles an hour over. They can't use radar. So I don't know enough about it, but there are ways to beat these cases. But, you know, if you really want to fight it, I'm telling you right now, you need to pick up a lawyer. You can't just go get a book on how to beat a speeding ticket. Get a lawyer who specializes in those, and you can do okay. I've seen people show up with books. I know you guys are laughing. When I used to be in the DA's office, a kid showed up with a book, How to Beat a Speeding Ticket. Absolutely. The judge went nuts on him.
All right, in lieu of grabbing a book, like How to Get a Speeding Ticket Beat, how do our viewers get in contact with you? And I'd imagine you refer this out.
We refer right out. Give us a call, 570-714-HURT. See us on the web, 714hurt.com.
Yeah, or you could go to our Facebook page, and if you have any questions about speeding, put them on there. But as you know, we don't do this work, but you know, we certainly could get you to somebody that you know, does specialize and has has a lot of books as well. All
right, results matter with speeding tickets and more. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli, guys, thanks so much.
See you.
Don't forget, PAHomepage.com or the Law and You hotline are always open.